See, the word seems to be a little bit long, but don't worry, I'm gonna give you the pronunciation breakdown here. The word has 5 syllables. First, you used to start the pronunciation with un. It's not n, okay? Entrepreneurship. And you used to stress on the last second syllable, I mean on the fourth syllable, ner. Entrepreneurship. And there are 2 more pronunciation styles. This is the straight pronunciation. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. And its second pronunciation is entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. And the third one is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Some people pronounce the same word as entrepreneurship. And all the pronunciations are correct. Okay? You can pronounce the word either entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship.